Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up on Crunchyroll. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Crunchyroll app. Once you tap open your Crunchyroll app, here as you can see, there are three options that are explore a free premium trial, login or create an account on the very end. If you already have an account, you can simply tap on the login option, but if you don't, then you'll have to tap on the create account option, where you'll have to type in your email address and your password. Tap on create account option. And just like that, here as you can see, you have successfully signed up. You can now manage your profile and so on and get started right away. That was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up on Crunchyroll app. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found our video helpful. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.